Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read ima or kon in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means now. It has 4 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like kon. On its own, it is usually ima. A roof over the present moment, now tucked safely under cover. Now, let's write it. 4 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order. Slowly. Let's see it in real words. Ima means now. Kyou means today. And kotoshi means this year. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Kai, read kai to meet. Rei, read rei, order. Notice the small differences. So that's ima, now. 4 strokes, read ima or kon. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.